Get it all done. Oh, nice Lambo. Gorgeous. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. Hello. A little bit cranky this morning. Went out to my bike 10 minutes ago. Didn't start. The battery was completely dead. Dead. I haven't ridden in about 6 days. And I have a brand new battery. It's concerning. There's really no reason for the bike to be completely dead. Oh God. Here comes the comments. You got a new bike, bro. It's true. You're not wrong. All right, here we go. Can I make this light? Yes, we got green light. That was a bad move, but it had to be done. And we got time here. Don't want to go too fast now, but we're gonna make this light gorgeous. Making up time. And then as long as we make this turn here, we're all right. Oh no, we're not. We're not making this turn here, are we? No. But it's okay. It's all right. Oh gosh, I don't like how when the bike just dies like that. And it's weird because before it would at least give me lights, and today like the battery was just dead. How much gas we got? We're gonna need gas as well. So yeah, I brought my jumper with me, so I guess that's how it's gonna be. Gonna have to jump this baby. All right, no more complaining. That was one complaint for the day. I had a couple of folks wondering why I complain so much, and it's like if there's like a secret to my bitching, and it's like no. I complain as a way to make sound, you know. I complain as a way to make sound. The charging system. Well, when I get to the office and park this bitch up, let's see if it starts up when it's time to go home. Because if it don't, then it's going to be a whole another issue. Whole another set of bullshit. But yeah, that was the last complaint. Let's see if we can go positive for the rest of it. This GMC, bro. You're gonna try to fucking cut me off, maybe? It's possible. What is going on here? Most annoying. Bro, why is this happening? Why is this happening? And I'm complaining again. Got fucking rocks coming out of this guy. I'm gonna have to lane split the whole time. That's just the name of the game today. That's just the name of the game. Do 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 do. That guy is really on my ass. For somebody who's keeping big distances. Alright. Let's see if it's time to splittery. At least the temperature is really nice. The temperature is lovely. All right, let's go. A few little moves here and there and everywhere. Alright, ladies and gents, we're back. For some reason, the local exit is busied up today, so we'll go to the normal Dumbo one. It's a beautiful thing. Look at all that open road ahead. All that open road ahead. There we go. And now the blending begins. Beautiful park. They're doing a great job. Quickly. This morning I woke up and there was a couple of snooty comments. You know, just some usual stuff telling me I don't know how to drive and I should open my eyes and all that. It's feeling spicy this morning. It's feeling a little spicy. It didn't have to be, but it was like that. This building is almost done. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So this person's taking a left now. And my gas light came on. Gorgeous. Good. Gas light, life. That's fine. Get some gears later today. A lot of brapping around town the last gas tank, so burnt it up a little quicker than normally would. Good old Dumbo. Oh, nice Lambo. Gorgeous. Gorgeous little Lambo. Little good morning. Little good morning gift. Alright. I got him. Going a little quick here. No, I'm going 25. That's the speed limit, boy. go find parking. Call it a day. I don't even want to start the bike back up right now, because then if it doesn't start, it's all going to be thinking about the whole time. My buddy Moto Noir went to this laser tag the other day. Cute. The boy had a good time. There's a spot back there, but all right. Yo. Yep. Thanks, man. There we go. All right, we made it. I'm sure it'll start. I'm sure it'll be fine. And if it doesn't, I know a way to do it. All right, we're all set. See you guys later.